Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today is officially packing day. We have been waiting for this day for 3+ weeks, 4 weeks, 4 weeks, 3 weeks? I don't know, it's been a while. So we're excited to finally get stuff into boxes. Riley, say hello to the vlog. Hello. Riley was super spooked last night because we had one last flood that happened last night. There was flash flooding here in Nashville, which happens like, I don't know, 4 times a year at this point.
Too often.
And right now where we live is in the flood zone. So we have like 3 flood scares every single year.
We're about to move to a hill, so...
And it would not be a final goodbye of where we live without one final flood scare. So last night we ended up, you can see we've got towels still. We haven't picked up yet because this was super late last night. It started to flash flood and we had like taped off the holes in our slider because this thing has like gaps in it. And then in here, we pulled up all of like our cords and everything because we were literally like, the water was inches away from our door, like our front door. So we were just ready for it to start coming through the front. The state of this room is like not the best that's been, but I want to show you guys literally how close the water was to coming into our place. It was very stressful. So this is our front door. Oh my gosh, a caterpillar! Oh, is he dead? Oh. Dead caterpillar. No. Okay, well. So this is our front door. And see where this mulch is? This is where the water came up to because the water brought all this mulch right up to our front door. So literally within like a foot, basically, the water was quickly rising. But thankfully, it did not come inside. You can see we've got all of our towels here and we're just ready to get the heck out. But we are gonna make breakfast real quick before we get packing. And then we're gonna start and finally use all of these boxes that we've been hoarding. In case you were wondering, yes, we still eat the same breakfast every single day. We have modified it though. We no longer eat bacon. Every day we do a scramble now. The road noise. I can't escape the road noise. But we still eat potatoes every single day, in case you're wondering. I just stopped documenting it because I just felt like it got really repetitive, but... Good job! Pretty soon we'll be in our new dining room. Get that Cajun seasoning. Yum. Okay, so I'm gonna start in the kitchen. Jason's gonna start in his music room, but because he is tall, he is in charge of grabbing down all the stuff in the top shelves. So we've got all of our like casserole dishes, which I've never made a casserole in my literal life, but we have the dishes because when you get married, you register for a casserole dish. Okay, so first thing that's gonna go in this box are casserole dishes, Tupperware to go, stuff that we're definitely just not gonna use because we never make casseroles or brownies or really anything in these anyway, so I don't know. I feel like, do I wrap each of these? Some of them are like kind of dirty, which is gross, but I feel like I should probably just pack it instead of cleaning it and then packing it because it's probably gonna get dirty anyway, so just gonna do that. Probably use towels for these actually. I'm gonna use the towels that we put out for the flood and wrap stuff in these, I guess. This is kind of a heavy box, so maybe the rest of the stuff will be lighter. So I don't know if you guys can see, but since we've got a lot of glass in here, I put a large like beach towel down at the bottom in case the box gets like set down really heavy or dropped. So hopefully that will pad a lot of the glass, and then I'm gonna fill the rest with maybe some lighter things so that this isn't too heavy because it's already like a pretty heavy box with all the glass. Okay, so now I am putting in like our cereal and snacks and stuff that won't take up as much weight, but will fill the box. So Jason's protein powder, this empty infuser thing, got pancake mix. Trying to figure out how to do this efficiently. Ritz crackers, hot chocolate, Hershey powder. These are actually some new crackers that a brand sent me, but I haven't had to try them yet because I just haven't had the time to pick up a spread for it because you're supposed to eat them with like different spreads and stuff. Riley, hey! You guys can always hear when Riley comes in because her little jingles, but we're gonna break them out hopefully for our first pool party. They have to go with us because I haven't tried them yet. I really want to try. Magic spoon. And hopefully this all fits. We've got my recipe card holder. And I think, oh yeah, this is definitely food. Okay, perfect. Honestly, it's such a lifesaver that Cole and Mary Helen gave us their moving boxes because these are unused U-Haul boxes. I hope I taped this in, ooh! Heavy. The boys are gonna have to lift this. We've got some guys coming to help us move, thank goodness. So grateful for all of our friends who literally all offered to help us move. So definitely gonna take everybody up on their offer, and hopefully we will have room for this stuff. This is why we waited till like, not last minute, but we waited because we didn't know where we'd stack all these boxes, but now we're stacking. It's actually not that heavy. I can lift it, so hopefully the bottom doesn't break though. Actually, I taped it pretty secure. I did 3 rows of tape, should be good. Okay, first box, oh, I forgot to actually write what is in this one. Okay, so this will be kitchen, and then inside of here is, gosh, pantry, food, to go, glass. I think that's it, just lots of glass. Okay, I wrote glass on there, fragile, you know what I mean. Okay, first box. Done. Well, no, third box done. I have packed some other stuff. Okay, next we've got excess of dishes that need to go, so I can start packing those up as well. I kept literally all of my boxes from the last month since we found out that we're gonna close on this house from all the brands. So this is actually a Drunk Elephant box. Thank you, Drunk Elephant, for partaking in our move. I don't know why we have so many bowls, but we do. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same thing that I did with the other box and put a towel in the bottom. I just feel like this is the best way to just protect if it gets dropped or whatnot, so. Also, thank you guys so much for all of your comments on the last vlog and just the advice that you all gave for packing. Definitely gonna do the trash bag method over the clothes. That was like the #1 thing that you guys said to do, and definitely gonna do that because it just seems like a lifesaver. The towel on the bottom though, I'm really liking that vibe because I feel like it's probably the way to go. So we've got all this paper from, again, Cole and Mary Helen's move. Okay, so since this is pretty heavy, I'm just gonna finish it off with this, which is our like cold brew maker. And that pretty much is like full. And then I'll put our placemats in here as well. Just some extra cushion. And this box is done. Alright, so now I'm gonna pack our glasses because, believe it or not, we actually don't use drinking glasses. We just use water bottles. We carry water bottles everywhere. So I'm gonna pack these up, and that's pretty much all the dishes. We're gonna keep our plates out until kind of like last minute just because we use those a lot. But feeling really good. One of the cabinets is like basically empty at this point. It's funny because I feel like the idea of packing has like always been really exciting, and then this morning Jason and I could just tell we both were kind of like, oh my gosh, we are actually packing, like this is happening. But it's funny because you don't realize like the idea is so exciting because it seems so far away, and not that this isn't exciting, but it's like the reality sets in and you're like, I have to pack up literally everything I own. And I think this morning we were both just like feeling like a little bit nervous excitement, like obviously still really pumped to move, especially after almost flooding last night. We were like, get us out of here. But yeah, I think it's just setting in. It's getting very real. We actually drove by the house yesterday and saw that they put the new garage door on, which just looks so beautiful. It's this beautiful like walnut colored garage door, and that has these windows in it. It's really, really beautiful. But it's like sinking in that in less than a week we will literally be getting the keys, packing a U-Haul, getting all this stuff inside, and I don't know, it's like bittersweet because just been here for 4.5 years. I've been here for a really long time, but it feels so right to be moving right now. Like it just feels really, really good. So I'm really excited, but I know the next like few days are gonna be long and very, very full, but I'm excited because like I said, if you guys missed my previous vlog, Jason's family is coming down to help us move and just to also see the house because they haven't seen it in person yet. So we're really excited to just like have everyone around. My family will be there, his family will be there, and it's gonna be just like this one big moving party. We've got friends helping us. Should be good. But definitely just trying to figure out all the logistics right now. We set up, well, Jason set up Wi-Fi, set up turning on or turning off the power here. Just figuring all those like little things out that are kind of annoying tasks, but you have to do, like figuring out water and all that stuff. So it's happening. All right, so I've got bag clips in with the cups, Velveeta, hemp hearts, pepper, salt, even though that's kind of heavy. And then I think, is that everything for this one? I'm gonna throw in our panko breadcrumbs and our cheese grater. Maybe, if it fits. Oh yeah, we're in. Oh, cups are packed. So now I'm gonna pack up all of our like to-go containers and stuff because we're not gonna use these. So, time for them to go. There's so many too. I don't know why we have so many sets of like to-go containers, but all the lids. And then those are plastic. And there are a few glass ones. Okay, and then the rest is plastic. So I will throw the glass ones in first. So the rest is just gonna be more of these to-go containers, but the plastic ones, so that it's relatively light. I'm mostly just trying to not do like one full big box of glass because that obviously gets really, really heavy. So hopefully I'm doing this right. You guys all gave me lots of advice on how to pack, and I hope that I'm not letting you guys down. I feel like a lot of this stuff needs to be cleaned because it's been in our cabinets for so long without being touched. Honestly, kind of gross, but I don't have time to clean all this stuff, so it's just going in the bucket here. Put our salad spinner in here, and then honestly, we're not going to use our syrup before then. It's a little sticky though. I feel like everybody who ever packs ever always says this, but I did not realize how much stuff we had until we started packing it all up. So far, this is where we're at. Well, this is also where we're at. We're almost out of boxes, and so our friend Jim just came by and he's dropping off more. I've got like 70% of the kitchen packed up. I still need to pack up our crock pot, deep fryer, some blenders, our waffle maker, stuff like big appliances I need to pack and just put in some boxes just to get over there. But look at this. It's still kind of got some stuff on it. Our coffee stuff doesn't get packed up until day of, pretty much. All right, so we've still got some stuff in our cabinets, but for the most part, we are cleared out. And then this is where all of our like to-go containers were. All of our food was up here. And then we just kept the spices that we use the most here. So, feeling really, really good. All right, so now I am in the downstairs bathroom and we're gonna clean out this closet and just honestly throw it all into a box. This is the famous hole in our downstairs bathroom closet that fills up with water every time we do laundry. So, can't wait for this thing to not be here. Trust me, we have called maintenance so many times to get them to fix it, and they don't really do anything. So, grateful to get the heck out. Get me out of here. Looks like we're packing up the vinyl. I'm gonna pack up this closet, finally. So almost all of you guys suggested covering clothes with trash bags, so I'm gonna do that to our coats. And if it goes well, I'll do that to the rest of my clothes. We have these bags from Costco. I don't know if they're like big enough, but whatever. Maybe not for Jay Wah's coats. Your trash bags might be too small. Okay, well, that will at least keep everything together. I pretty much finished the kitchen, this closet. I think I'm gonna leave my stuff in my desk, leave the stuff in the coffee table. So that's pretty much the downstairs for the most part, except for the stuff that we're of course using. Jason's still working on getting the vinyl packed up, but I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog here because I'm honestly exhausted and we're gonna get to the upstairs in another vlog. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed packing with me. If you did, be sure to leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new here and you want to stick around for some more videos and some moving vlogs. And I will see you guys in my next one very, very soon. Bye, y'all.